Most iPhone users don't realize how many small things can make their phone heat up every single day. And if your iPhone keeps getting hot, it can affect battery health, performance, charging speed, and even long-term lifespan. So in this video, I'll show you some of the most common reasons why iPhones overheat and the best ways to reduce heat and keep your iPhone running cooler. Let's get started. First, it's actually normal for iPhones to get a little warm sometimes. For example, charging, gaming, using Hotspot, watching videos, or being outside in hot weather can all increase temperature. But if your iPhone gets hot very often, during normal use, some settings or apps may be causing extra heat in the background. One of the biggest causes of overheating is charging habits. If your iPhone gets hot while charging, avoid placing it under pillows or blankets. Remove very thick cases during charging and try not to use heavy apps or games while charging. Fast charging can also create more heat, especially during the first part of charging. And if your room is already warm, your iPhone may heat up even faster. High screen brightness can increase heat surprisingly fast, especially outdoors or during long usage sessions. You can reduce brightness manually or enable auto brightness to help your iPhone manage heat more efficiently. Dark mode can also slightly help reduce heat and battery usage on OLED iPhones. Some apps continue working in the background, even you are not using them. This can increase heat, battery drain, and overall resource usage. If your iPhone feels warm often, check Settings, General, Background App Refresh, and disable it for apps that don't really need constant updates. Weak cellular signal is another huge reason iPhones get hot. When signal is weak, your iPhone works harder to stay connected, and hotspot usage can generate a lot of heat very quickly, especially if multiple devices are connected. You are downloading large files or using hotspot while charging. Games are one of the heaviest things your iPhone can run. High graphics, high brightness, and long gaming sessions can quickly increase temperature. If your phone gets too hot while gaming, lower brightness, close background apps, and avoid charging while playing. Some games are simply very demanding on the processor and battery. Low power mode can actually help reduce heat in some situations because it limits background activities, animations, and some system processes. So if your iPhone feels unusually warm, turning on low power mode may help temporarily reduce temperature and battery drain. If your iPhone gets hot, avoid putting it in the fridge or freezer. That can actually damage the device because of the moisture and sudden temperature changes. Instead, stop heavy apps, remove the charger, lower brightness, move to a cooler place, and let the iPhone rest for a few minutes. Usually the temperature drops naturally. Older batteries can also contribute to overheating. As battery health decreases, the battery becomes less efficient and may generate more heat. You can check battery health in Settings, Battery Health, and if battery health is very low, replacing the battery can sometimes noticeably improve temperature and performance. So overall, some heat is completely normal on iPhone. But if your device gets hot constantly, these tips can really help reduce overheating and improve daily performance. And if this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe for more iPhone tips, settings, and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.